Egg drop soup is one of the easiest Chinese soup to prepare. Chinese restaurants usually have the high quality soup stock as the base of the soup. We do not have that luxuries at home, but there's a workaround way. Now in this video, I want to share with you how do I prepare the egg drop soup at home with the quality that is able to compete with any Chinese restaurant. Let's get into the details. Alright, the first step is to bring my homemade chicken stock to a boil in a stock pot. Add the bacon and the scallions and ginger about 1 inch length. Some white peppercorns. Bring it to the boil again. And then simmer over low heat for half an hour. After half an hour, the stock has attracted all the flavors of the ingredients. Now remove the solids. Strain and set aside. Combine the cornstarch and water to make a cornstarch slurry. Whisk into the stock and stir until the cornstarch is cooked and the soup is thickened. The next step is to make the egg ribbons. Beat the egg in a bowl. And add some corn flour to combine well with the beaten eggs until it is homogeneous. Next, bring the stock back to the boil. Reduce the heat to let the stock barely boil. Stir the stock quickly in one direction to create a whirlpool. Then, pour the egg into the stock while the whirlpool is still spinning through the tine of the fork. To prevent it from dripping too fast. Let the soup sit for 10 seconds to let the egg strands to form. Stir again to break up any large pieces of egg. Pour the soup into a bowl and garnish with scallion, chopped scallion. I hope you enjoy watching this video. You can get the recipe and the in-depth explanation at tasteasianfood.com egg drop soup. And please leave your comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.